Don't be afraid of those packets. They put a lot of research and development into those. I'm going to start out with 3 cups. I'm going to start out with 3 cups of beef stock. To that, I'm going to add a packet of the McCormick brown gravy. And a packet of the McCormick Au Jus. Give that a whisk. Give myself a good tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce-ish. Half of a white onion. I'm going to slice this onion for long cooking. So I'm not going to chop it into small pieces because I want it to be able to handle the 4 to 6 hours of cooking that it's going to go through. So I'm going to leave it, you can see that it's, you know, a nice slice. Make sure I get everything. So I'm going to use 8 ounces of mushrooms. That I'm on a quarter. Because again, these are going to cook a while. I don't want them disappearing. So 8 ounces of diced mushrooms, and I'm going to grate 3 cloves of garlic. This hand grater makes quick work of it. That's how quick it heats up. This is my 3 cloves of garlic that I grated. Doesn't take long. Now that I got that where I want it, I'm going to add my gravy mix. I'm not going to bother bringing this to a boil because I don't need to, because it's going to slow cook for a nice long time. What makes this even easier is I'm going to add about 20 ounces of frozen meatballs. These are flame-broiled meatballs, so they're ready to go. Just add them into my sauce. Make sure everything's covered. Those meatballs are going to add a little liquid to this as well. I'm going to turn it down to 280. I'm going to put a timer on for 4 hours. So after my 4 hours were up, it went into warm mode. Let's take a look at what we got here. That's hot. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice dark brown gravy, meatballs and mushrooms, little bits of onion. If you want your sauce thicker, you can mix in a tablespoon of cornstarch with about a quarter to a half cup of water and let that come to a boil, and that'll thicken your sauce up even more if you like. But I like it just like this. This is going to go great on top of some mashed potatoes. Let's give one of these a try. Super easy smothered meatballs with mushrooms and onions. Give it a try here. I'm going to serve this on a bed of mashed potatoes for dinner. You can also do like a egg noodle. That would be great as well. Rice. Super savory. All the seasonings were in those 2 packets. It's perfect. Don't be afraid of those packets. They put a lot of research and development into those. Good stuff. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Share with your friends. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Cheers.